What is happening, YouTube? Welcome back to the Duranify channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I fix this poor Fimi right here. Got stuck in a tree, fell out of the tree, came down, broke his nose, and broke this arm. So, let's get into the video. Thanks for watching. Broken arm. Smashed up nose. Okay, let's get on back home.
I said, driver, can you take me home? Is this the fastest way?
Dude, you got it. You're a cat. You got 9 lives, man. I'm going to put you back together again. Holy crap. So here I am, guys. I found a Fimi X8, pretty beat up as you can see it, and it fell from this tree right up there, the sycamore, that maple right behind me, right up here over my shoulder. That's where it was stuck at the tippity top. But it looks like everything's okay. SD card key. Yeah, everything's in it. Yeah, so the Fimi is going to get repaired and it's going to live again. I just can't believe it. I can't believe it. Able to find it. Wow. Crazy winds. So we're going to do the baking soda super glue hack. And it should work pretty well, guys. It really should. See if those wires right here are ripped. I'm not sure if they are or not. So we're going to do the baking soda super glue hack. And it should work pretty well, guys. It really should. I'm going to use this lollipop thick. I'm going to use the scissors, super glue, and this is how we're going to fix this broken arm. Okay? It looks real good. There's nothing wrong with it. All the wires are intact. Yeah, move this camera around again. You can see it staying in its place all by itself. Alright, let's do this thing. I'm going to put some gloves on. Alright, let the surgery begin. Let the super glue flow. Okay, that looks good to me. Looks good there. Okay. See if I can set it up so you guys can see it. Yeah, that should work. Yeah. So now we're going to build this thing up. Right there. Just like that. Okay? You guys see that? Right there. Lift it up a little bit, sorry you're not going to see well. And again, guys, this is sandable, so you should be able to sand it. I know you can sand it, so. Here we go. Okay, we got that side pretty good. Now, let's see if we can get the camera to see. Right there. Hit it up right here. Alright, let's do it. All right, let's hit this thing up. So it's probably thick enough for me. I can sand it down and form it. Obviously would prefer not to sand too much. Should be able to use my brand new silicone. Yeah. Good. Yeah, this will work perfect, and then I can put all my screws away in the right places. Just got this, guys. Got it just for this job. Okay. Turn it over. There we go. And there's the nose. The broken nose. Well, looks like I might be able to use just a heat gun to straighten it out for now. There's no damage inside. That's what I was really interested in, if I had damage in here. pretty good, guys. Yeah, take a good little whack, huh? I don't want to push on it too hard. Alright, so I'm going to do a little repair in my garage with this. I want to heat it up and bend it. I might just glue it and put it back together and fly it the way it is. I did order parts. They're coming from AliExpress. So, they'll be here. Okay. Alright, it looks like it passed all tests, guys, so that's a good sign. So this is the bench test for the Fimi. It looks like LED is not working on the right side here. That's okay, I got a new arm coming, so I can still fly it, hopefully. Let's see if it motor start up. Let me back this up so you guys can, or at least lower the antenna so you guys can see better. You ready? Let's do that. Ready? All motors are working, so that's a good sign. Okay, very good. I'm going to turn the video on. Test the camera. It looks like I'm going to have to calibrate the horizon. So let's get into the settings and do that. Let's get into the camera. Get into the gimbal. Get into the gimbal settings. Adjust. It looks a little off to me. I'm going to have to adjust that. Okay. Actually, it looks correct now. Yeah, it looks correct now. I don't know, maybe not. Y-axis or axis. That looks better. Gosh, Lee, all the way to 3.4. Alright. Gonna save it. Calibrate. So now we're doing the gimbal calibration. You see that? Okay, so it successfully passed the gimbal calibration. You can see that. Ready? everything's acting normal. It did not take off, so it automatically shuts down the motors because I think something went wrong. So looking good, guys. Looking real good. That is it for us. Alright, so it looks like it's doing pretty well. The only problem I have is that this LED right here on this side is not working. Other than that, everything seems to be working fine. I just finished doing the calibration on the gimbal. So, gimbal pitch speed here, it's not bad, 15%. Nice and smooth. And then this, testing the camera by recording. Do the takeoff again. Ready? Okay, so everything's acting normal. It is looking good, guys. Looking real good. That is it for us. So that concludes the bench test.